Greetings, Performance Reviews, where I give the review from the technician's point of view. And today we have a new product from Miele. Now, this is a upgrade kit, as it's described. This is an upgrade for the HX1 and the HX2. These machines are mechanically almost identical. Of course, the HX2 is a little bit more powerful, but we're going to go ahead and put it in the HX1 since that is the least powerful of the two and probably the more common variant. Now, in the past, I have stated that I really don't like soft rollers, and my opinion on them is unchanged. I don't really see a purpose in this, but this is something consumers are going to be asking about and maybe want. Now, the HX1 already slows its brush roller down for hard floor, and I believe the way that this is designed from the factory, having the squeegee in the rear and slowing the brush down, is probably the most bare floor friendly thing you could do, besides shutting the brush completely off on hard floor, which is what we usually do. But cordless machines tend to struggle in the power department, so a lot of manufacturers will put the soft roller in to try to help them. And Miele has given in. Of course, I say Miele. This nozzle was designed by Vesselwork for Miele. So we're going to go ahead and upgrade it. Now there's a little switch here, and you have a Lambo door on the side of your Miele. Just pull it open and remove the brush roller. Now I've got the box. And again, this is described as a kit by Miele, but there's probably nothing more. Yep. You just are getting a roller in the box. All right, well, we've thrown some lubricant on there. Let's go ahead and insert this in here, like so. And just gotta give it a half twist till it settles in. And then that will install like so and secure it with the latch. So now we have the soft roller installed. So my number one question about the soft roller is when we're done with the hard floor, what happens when we go to an area rug or carpet? So let's go ahead and find out. Well, there was a little bit more resistance on the carpet, but it seemed to work all right. We're going to have to go ahead and put a mesh down and see how this works. So here's what I've decided to do. I put the usual mess of breakfast cereal, cat litter, fine sand, and fresh pet hair down. And we're going to try it first with the original roller, and then we're going to try it with the soft roller on hard floor and see if the results are any different. That seemed to do pretty good. Maybe there was a little bit of fine sand on my hand, but it seemed to pick all that up just fine. Let's go ahead and try the other roller. Again, maybe a few little bits of the fine sand, but it seems to be the same for me for both of these. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do that same test on our medium pile carpet and just see what happens. We're going to do the soft roller first and then the regular brush roller. Alright, that left a little bit of hair, a lot of sand, cat litter, and some breakfast cereal. So that really only picked up the surface debris at best. Let's go ahead and see if the regular brush roller does a better job. I don't know how much it shows on camera, but the carpet looks significantly different here than it does here. Alright, so there's a little bit of sand left behind. I don't know if that's going to show on camera. The cat litter seems to be gone, and the breakfast cereal is gone, and the hair is actually gone. So this is doing a much better job with its stock roller on carpet. Well, is the upgrade kit worth your money? I would say if the upgrade kit was upgrading to a plug-in vacuum like a C3 or a C1, absolutely. Now, the upgrade kit in question, this soft roller, I don't really see a purpose. I don't quite understand what they were going for, other than to say, hey, we have a soft roller because Dyson and Shark have it too. And that seems to be what's going on. This seems to be just marketing hype. I have never seen a purpose for a soft roller on a vacuum that has enough airflow and suction to get the job done, which this little stick has barely enough, but just enough to get the job done. It has been described to me that if you are in a really moist climate, that this will help stubborn dirt. But if it's moisture you're trying to pick up, then you should just be getting an auto mop. And maybe that's what Miele and VESAWorks should do, is they should design an auto mop together and skip the theatrics of soft rollers. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was informative. Give it a thumbs up. If you want to give any of these products a try, go to your local dealer. They'll probably have them. If you want to benefit the channel, there'll be links below to our Patreon and probably a link below to where you can get this stuff if you really want to try it for yourself. Have yourself a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.